doing today?
We cooking, play with the Pokeball.
We are going to cook our Play-Doh with the Pokeball. Can you tell me how many Play-Dohs we have today?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. And tell me the colors.
Green, yellow, red, blue, and black. Black. But it has no color.
Huh?
It has no color.
No color.
You have to put the green in the Pokeball.
Okay.
I'm excited.
I'm gonna open it. Close it up.
It's like Pac-Man.
You're gonna open your microwave.
Whoa, that's amazing.
Are you ready to cook it? What button are you gonna push?
Pac-Man.
The pancake? Okay. Start. Almost done. Oh, it's done. I wonder what's inside.
Wow.
You think it cooked the Play-Doh?
Yeah, it burned it.
You think it burned it? Shake it. Shake it. I think there's a surprise inside.
Don't look at that. Close your eyes.
Okay, close your eyes.
Okay, open.
What's inside?
The Joker.
The Joker? Let me see.
It's Joker.
Joker. Déjalo. And we got the Joker inside the green Play-Doh. That was pretty cool, Leo. Are you ready to try the next Play-Doh?
Yeah, the red.
You're gonna try red? Okay.
He's eating it. It's like Pac-Man.
It's like Pac-Man. Okay, let's go ahead and put it in the microwave.
That's my favorite Pac-Man.
Okay, let's go ahead and press some buttons so it can get cooking. Okay, start. Ooh, look at the Pokeball, it's cooking.
It's my favorite Pac-Man.
Ooh, look, it has a light inside. Oh, it's ready. Leo, ready to open it? Shake it, give it a shake. Ooh, I wonder what's inside.
I think it's Pikachu. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. What is it?
Harley Quinn.
It's Harley Quinn.
And the hammer.
It's a hammer. Stand her up. I like Harley Quinn. We got Harley Quinn and her hammer. In the red Play-Doh, we got Harley Quinn and her hammer.
And now let's get the blue Play-Doh.
Can you get the blue Play-Doh?
Yeah, that's my favorite color.
Give it a shake. Give it a shake. Give it a shake. Okay, let's put it in the microwave.
There.
Let's put it in the microwave.
Beep.
Ready to cook it, Leo?
Yeah. I'm gonna put popcorn. My favorite popcorn.
You gonna put the popcorn button?
It's my favorite. It's tasty.
Okay, good start. Ooh, it's cooking!
My favorite popcorn.
Oh, it's ready. Okay, let's take it out, Leo.
with.
Give it a shake. Give it a shake. Give it a shake. Give it a shake.
Uh-oh.
Doesn't sound like anything. Uh-oh. I wonder if the Play-Doh disappeared.
Yeah.
Doesn't sound like anything is inside? No? Let's open it and see if we have anything. Batman! With the blue cape!
Yeah.
Cool, Batman. He has a blue cape. Your favorite color.
Yeah. My favorite.
Okay, let's go ahead and... what color do you want to do next?
Lego. Lego.
Yellow!
We got 2 more.
We got our last 2 more our last 2 Play-Doh to cook. Ready to put in the microwave? Let's get it cooking!
Ooh, pizza.
Ooh, pizza button. That's my favorite.
Oh my god.
Ooh, it's cooking! It's cooking!
Oh my goodness.
Ooh, it's ready! Ready to get it out?
Yeah.
So I wonder what our yellow Play-Doh gave us.
It's got burned.
You think it got burned?
Yeah. Oh, it's so smoky smoke.
It smells smoky?
Yeah.
Yeah! Okay, let's open it up. See what we got inside.
I think it's Slimer.
You think it might be Slimer?
Yeah.
Let's open it.
Close your eyes.
Open it right here.
Close your eyes.
Okay, I'll close my eyes. What's inside, Leo?
Pikachu.
Pikachu! We finally got a Pokemon!
Mad.
What?
It's mad.
It's a mad Pokemon? He doesn't like being in the Pokeball. He doesn't like being in the Pokeball. That's why he's mad.
He's stuck.
How did Pikachu get in the Pokeball? Whoa!
That's funny.
Okay, now we have 1 more Play-Doh.
The boss is the black. The boss. The black. Black is the boss. It's the boss.
The black is the boss?
Yeah.
Why?
But.
You gotta put it in the Pokeball. No, you gotta put it inside the Pokeball to cook it.
Ring, ring, ring. It's got burger. It got burger. It got burger.
They got bigger?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put it in the microwave.
It's the boss. I hate the boss.
Okay. Okay, ready to cook it.
Ooh, mushrooms and coffee.
Marshmallows? I think that's maybe
Coffee.
no, hot chocolate with marshmallows.
Yeah.
Start. You put 3 minutes on there? 3 minutes to cook. It's cooking. Ooh, look at the Pokeball.
I'm waiting. I'm so tired.
Oh, it's almost done. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Let's open it. Ready to open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it's Black Batman! He has a black cape!
And this is Batman.
And you have the blue cape Batman.
But it's a different Batman.
Yeah, they are different.
the small Batman and the giant Batman.
Yeah.
I think this is smaller.
Yeah, that one is smaller.
But this is the Joker and Harley Quinn and Batman too big.
Yeah, they are too big for him, for the little Batman. These were all of the surprises we got in our Play-Doh, Leo.
Yeah.
Which one was your favorite surprise?
Yeah, I can't believe.
Is it hard to choose?
Yeah.
Meeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. Which one was your favorite?
Wait.
Is it a hard decision?
Yeah.
Which one was your favorite?
The Batman.
Batman?
Yeah.
My favorite was Harley Quinn was my favorite. Okay, what else?
It's time to say goodbye.
Okay, wait. Go ahead and comment down below which one was your favorite surprise. Whether it was
Batman.
Black Cape Batman, the Joker, Harley Quinn, Blue Cape Batman, or Pikachu.
Batman throw down. Batman throw down.
Now it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye. Subscribe. Until next time. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked this surprise video.
Bye.
Ooh.